everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1967 Dodge Coronet True RT car, guys. Very cool car. Factory dark green metallic, GG1 I think is a code. This is this dark green metallic. Factory black vinyl interior. Neat car, guys. This car was actually restored 19 years ago. Now, the gentleman we got it from said they actually just rebuilt the engine. So he said it has less than 1,000 miles on the engine. But when they originally did this car, he said it was actually 19 years ago. Again, factory color combination. It's also a WS RT car. He thought it was a era correct engine. They don't have VINs on the blocks in 67, and he is correct. This is a 67 engine, but it is a October of 67 engine, which would make this actually a 68 engine. But neat car, good car. Runs and drives excellent. Good, solid, straight North Carolina body. Fun car. You can see it's got the road rallies with the radial red lines on it. And if you're looking for a fun car to turn the key and just cruise, I think you're going to have a blast with this car. Love the RT hoods. The grill and a lot of this stuff is actually original to the car. You can see it. I'm not real sure what that is. A little something. I'm not sure. It's going to come off though. I don't know what it is. I think this front bumper's new, but I think the rear bumper is the original rear. Paint slick. There's definitely a couple little spots. I try to point them out as we go around. Little blemishes in the paint, but pretty doggone nice. Car runs and drives excellent. Car's got a really good look to it. I love these 67. 67 GTX is actually my favorite car, but this is your original chrome here. It's in really good shape. I like the 67 GTX, like I say, one of my favorite cars, but I like these RTs too. You just don't see them. And that is a pretty car. Rear tail panel's nice. I believe this rear bumper is actually original. And there's a company painted it. Delaware Valley Collision. Again, nice and straight down the sides. Love the road rallies with the red lines on it. That's a good looking car. You can see some blemishes here on it. I thought there was another little one I saw there. That might be on the other side too. It's got the red pinstripe down the sides. It's got the factory drum brakes. Again, fresh 440 in it, not the original engine. It's got a 4-barrel stock intake and exhaust manifolds. It is a factory air car. They've got the AC, as you can see, unhooked. Factory radiator with a shroud. They have upgraded it to electronic ignition, power steering, manual drum brakes, just like it would have came from the factory. I've been waiting on this stupid thing for seems forever. I ordered the washer bottle, was just busted up on it. It was the original one that kind of fell apart, and it took me forever to get that doggone thing. Stock 727 Torque Flight automatic transmission. There's your original trim tag. Runs out good. I mean, you're looking for a nice driver. That thing, turn the key and point the direction, it goes. Let's see how that deep green on it. It's a pretty color. You can pick the 8-pillar chrome. You can see that's original chrome mirror. I think the door handles are original. I don't think they've done a whole lot to this car. Let's say it's definitely been repainted. We know that. See, the door seams are nice and clean. I didn't see where they had changed any panels. I think this is the original carpet in here. Factory bucket seats. See how nice that steering wheel is. Seats are nice. Headliner's nice. Showing 38,000. I'm sure that's not original. Like he said, there is, he said less than 1,000 miles on the engine. AM radio. Original owner's manual's in the glove box. He's got some aftermarket gauges mounted underneath. He's using some down below and some up above. I do know that. There's a little blemish there. Oh, there it is. I knew there was a little touch-up mark somewhere up on there. Dual exhaust. It's got 8 3/4, 353 rear end. That's pretty much just bone stock stuff there. Jack's all mounted where it's supposed to be. You can see the original insulation on your quarters is still there. It's all body color in here like it should be. No spare. Maybe there's a spare in there. Is there a spare in there? Can't feel it. I'd say just a good, honest, straight old car. I'd say this car has always been a pretty nice car. It's clean underneath. Like I say, hits the road good. Door seams are clean. Sorry, got a truck backing up around here. Seats are nice. Dash pad is nice, and the steering wheel's really nice. And original 8-pillar chrome. Fires right up, turns key, goes down the road nice and straight. Just a good car. Car's just got a good look to it. And that's a good looking body style right there. Now you just do not see these guys. Fuel gauge works. I think the temp gauge is down in the bottom. The alternator gauge is up there. It works. I love that tail panel. They look good. AM radio works. You see the car holds good oil pressure. The temp gauge are running down there. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram, our Facebook page. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Great way to keep in touch with us. Good looking car, man. Sits good. These old Mopars are just cool, man. Have a great day, guys.